Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to easily paint a moon using the Art and Fly watercolors, watercolor paper and brushes. I always cut my paper down to a smaller piece and I would suggest you to do as well. After cutting the paper, use something to draw a circle with. I used an old jar for water. If you have taped your paper down, go in with a nice and clear layer of water. Now you want to block in a light wash of black paint. Just mix it with your water until you have a grey tone. You can use a reference by blocking in the basic shades of the moon. You can do another darker layer of paint when the first layer hasn't dried completely yet. This way the different hues will blend together and there won't be any rough edges at the end. You can work on it until you're satisfied with it. If you want to remove some paint because it was too much, just use a tissue and lightly tap it on the wet surface of your painting. Furthermore, you can use the white watercolor paint to already add some highlights, but you don't have to. After letting your painting dry, you can use a white gel pen to add smaller details. To make your painting pop out more, you can use cheap black acrylic paint and cover the background of your illustration. You can use a black fine liner to cover up little white spaces. After doing so, add the stars with white acrylic paint by dipping in your brush and tapping with another brush on it. If everything has dried, you can remove the tape and you're done. Just remember to use a hairdryer to heat up the tape so it will get removed easily. Not like me, who kind of forget to heat it up. I hope you liked this easy way of how to paint the moon. Thanks for watching.